Is Ukraine's economy on the verge of collapse, or is it secretly making a comeback? Sanctions, war, inflation. Ukraine has faced it all, but something unexpected is happening. Billion-dollar industries are rising. Foreign investors are watching closely, and Ukraine might be pulling off an economic miracle. So, what's the truth? Is Ukraine's economy crumbling, or is it about to shock the world? Let's break it down. Welcome to our economy land journey. Today, we'll explore the challenges, resilience, and surprising developments shaping Ukraine's economy. Stick around until the end. You won't want to miss what's coming. The economic impact of war. Let's start with the harsh reality. War takes a massive toll on any economy, and Ukraine is no exception. Since Russia's full-scale invasion in 2022, Ukraine's infrastructure, industries, and workforce have suffered enormous losses. According to reports, nearly 18% of Ukraine's territory is under Russian control, severely affecting its economic activity. In 2022, Ukraine's GDP plummeted by nearly 30%, marking one of the worst contractions in modern history. The war has disrupted critical industries including agriculture, manufacturing, and energy production. Ukraine, once known as the breadbasket of Europe, saw a drastic drop in grain exports due to blockades and destroyed farmland. Beyond exports, the workforce has taken a hit. Millions of Ukrainians have been displaced. Businesses have shut down, and a significant portion of the population has been mobilized for military duty. But despite all this, something unexpected happened. The economy didn't collapse entirely. Signs of resilience and recovery. Against all odds, Ukraine's economy has shown remarkable resilience. In 2023, Ukraine's GDP grew by 5.3%, a surprising rebound considering the ongoing war. How is this even possible? First, Ukraine has received massive international support through financial aid, investments, and technological advancements. Billions of dollars have been injected into the economy through foreign grants and loans. The European Union and the United States have significantly kept Ukraine's financial system afloat. Second, businesses and entrepreneurs in Ukraine have adapted. Despite war conditions, the IT sector has remained strong, attracting foreign investment and employing thousands of professionals. Ukraine's startup ecosystem has continued to grow, proving that innovation thrives even in times of crisis. The agriculture sector, though damaged, has also adapted by finding alternative export routes through rail and road transport. Meanwhile, Ukraine's defense industry is booming, producing military equipment and weapons for itself and exports. Inflation, currency, and financial struggles. Other primary concerns are inflation and currency stability, war-driven supply chain disruptions, rising energy costs, and decreased production have pushed inflation rates to over 20% at specific points. The Ukrainian hryvnia, UAH, has also faced devaluation, though recent efforts by the National Bank of Ukraine have stabilized it somewhat. The government has implemented strict monetary policies, including interest rate adjustments and currency controls, to keep inflation in check. Despite these measures, Ukrainians are feeling the pinch every day. Rising food prices, housing costs, and limited job opportunities have put immense pressure on families. The economic recovery is not being felt equally across all sectors, leaving many struggling to make ends meet. The rise of war, economy, and black markets. Did you know that war can create entire underground economies? In Ukraine, black markets have flourished, with smuggling, illicit trade, and informal business networks growing rapidly. Military demand has driven a surge in arms production, boosting industries that manufacture drones, ammunition, and military vehicles. Some businesses have found opportunities in crisis, pivoting to war-related industries to stay afloat. Meanwhile, the informal economy is expanding. With financial instability and limited job options, many Ukrainians have turned to freelance work, gig economy jobs, and underground trade to survive. Digital transactions, crypto payments, and alternative financial solutions are rising. While helping some, this shadow economy poses risks, tax revenue losses, regulatory concerns, and potential corruption. The government faces faces the challenge of balancing economic stability while managing these rapidly shifting dynamics. Ukraine's post-war reconstruction and investment opportunities. One of Ukraine's most significant economic opportunities lies in post-war reconstruction. The destruction of cities, infrastructure, and industries has created a need for massive rebuilding efforts, and international investors are already eyeing the potential. The World Bank estimates that Ukraine will need over $400 billion for complete reconstruction, making it one of modern history's most significant rebuilding projects. Foreign companies specializing in construction, logistics, and energy infrastructure see Ukraine as an emerging market for investment. European and American firms are exploring partnerships to rebuild roads, bridges, power plants, and residential areas. Additionally, Ukraine's tech sector is expected to play a crucial role, with startups and IT companies contributing to digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and innovative city development. However, challenges remain. Investors worry about corruption, political instability, and long-term security risks. Ukraine must implement strong legal frameworks, transparent business policies, and anti-corruption measures to attract sustainable foreign direct investment. If handled effectively, post-war reconstruction could transform Ukraine into a modern, high-tech economy and a key European business hub. Future economic projections. So, what does the future hold? The forecasts for Ukraine's economy are mixed. On one hand, Ukraine's economic growth is expected to slow down to 2.7% in 2025 as the initial post-war rebound stabilizes. On the other hand, if a ceasefire or peace agreement is reached, the economy could grow significantly faster. Another factor to consider is foreign investment. Ukraine is already positioning itself for massive post-war reconstruction efforts, which could attract billions of dollars in infrastructure projects, real estate development, and industrial modernization. One of the biggest potential game changers is Ukraine's application for EU membership. If approved, it would open doors for more trade opportunities, business expansions, and financial support, potentially kickstarting a long-term economic boom. So, is Ukraine's economy collapsing or making a comeback? The answer is both. The challenges are real: war, inflation, financial instability, but so is the resilience. The Ukrainian people, businesses, and government have shown incredible adaptability, finding ways to keep the economy running against all odds. While short-term struggles persist, the long-term potential is enormous. If Ukraine can navigate these uncertain times, secure sustained international support, and rebuild effectively, it could emerge more potent than ever. But here's the twist. What if Ukraine's economic struggles paved the way for one of modern history's most significant economic transformations? Could today's hardships set the stage for an economic powerhouse of tomorrow? Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you believe Ukraine's economy will rise again, or are more challenges ahead? If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into global economies. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.